Hey everyone! Glowing Star today, we're diving into some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S26 series. While Samsung just showcased the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra, we've already got initial leaks about next year's Galaxy S26. There's still plenty of time before we see any design renders, but leaks around camera modules and battery tech are already surfacing. Let's explore what's in store for 2026. First up, Samsung is expected to continue its usual release schedule, so the Galaxy S26 series should make its debut sometime in Q1 2026. The latest information suggests Samsung will stick with a trio of models, the Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra. However, with the S25 Edge set to launch later this year, we'll have to wait and see if Samsung decides to release this model alongside the other phones next year. Now, here's what we know about the Galaxy S26 so far. Samsung Galaxy S26, a fresh design on the horizon. Samsung didn't change the design much this year. The S25 and S25 Plus are practically identical to their predecessors. But that's understandable, given how little the design changed with the S24 series. However, the S25 Ultra stands out with its flatter sides, rounded edges, and a thinner, lighter build compared to the S24 Ultra. It's also narrower, addressing last year's problem. Rumors suggest that Samsung will overhaul the design with the S26 series. While we don't know exactly what the new design will look like, it's unlikely that Samsung will radically alter the overall aesthetic. The minimal design with individual rings around the cameras is distinctive to Galaxy devices, and the brand wouldn't want to change that too much. That said, we might see better colors and materials, and a bit of added design flair on the Ultra model. Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, a 200MP telephoto lens? Vivo's X200 Pro currently boasts the best camera with its standout 200MP telephoto lens, delivering exceptional portrait shots and detailed photos up to 30x. Interestingly, the camera sensors used in these phones are made by Samsung. A new leak suggests that Samsung might include a 200MP telephoto lens in the S26 Ultra, providing a significant camera upgrade. We'll have to see if Samsung opts for the newer HP9 module used in the X200 Pro or the HP3 used by Honor, but it's promising to see Samsung considering this upgrade for their 2026 flagship. Samsung Galaxy S26 silicon batteries on the horizon? Battery tech didn't change much with the S25 series, which offered similar-sized batteries as their predecessors. With most Chinese phones now featuring silicon carbide batteries that provide better durability and density, Samsung might be lagging behind. However, a recent leak from Korea suggests Samsung is considering a switch to silicon batteries for the S26 series. This could mean bigger batteries within the same chassis, just like the X200 Pro and other 2025 phones. There's also speculation about Samsung switching to 65W charging next year. While this sounds more like a wishlist item, it would be great to see faster charging on Samsung's phones. The brand has been cautious in this regard, so we'll have to wait and see if they make this change in 2026.